In today's video, I'll show you how to link your GoDaddy website to your Facebook business page. This is a great way to strengthen your online presence and reach more customers. Let's dive in. Step 1, log into GoDaddy, open your browser, and go to godaddy.com. Once you're logged in, head to the GoDaddy home. This is your main hub for managing all your products and services. Step 2, access your products. Click on Products. Here you'll see everything connected to your GoDaddy account, like domains, hosting, and websites. Step 3, manage your website. Find the website you want to connect and click Manage. This will open the detailed settings for your site. Step 4, open the Social tab. In the left-hand menu, click on Social. This is where GoDaddy lets you manage and connect your website with social platforms. Step 5, check Overview. Inside Social, click Overview. This gives you a quick look at your current integrations and helps ensure everything is set up properly. Step 6, connect to Facebook. Now click Connect. Choose Facebook business page and follow the prompts to confirm your account and link your site. And that's it. Your GoDaddy website is now connected to your Facebook business page. This makes it easier for customers to move between platforms and stay engaged with your brand. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick website tips. Thanks for watching.